Hey guys, it's Lara. In today's video I am going to be taking you along for a little date night, but first of all we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me. We are here at the Wellington Arms for the evening and for the night, and I thought it would be fun to do a little get ready with me. I've never done one of these before, so do let me know by liking this video if you want me to do more like this. So first of all guys, can we take a minute to appreciate this bath? I absolutely loved having this in our room. I have to admit I'm not really a huge bath person, and I really did run this for my husband, so I did it for him, but I couldn't help but jumping in and having a little splash about first. It was just so nice to have a bath in the room and make some mess with the bubbles. So next I had a shower, and I loved this waterfall shower. It was so good, and I just whiled away the time for a little while. Being a busy mum of two, it was very nice to have that time just to take to myself to get ready. So I washed my hair, and then I actually forgot to take this in the shower with me. It's my Series Expert from L'Oreal, and it's a silver shampoo, so it just gives my hair more of a kind of icy tone to it. And then I am going to moisturise, and this is an Arbonne moisturiser. I've actually got really into Arbonne recently. My friend let me try some of hers, and I am sold. I love all of their stuff. This is like a kind of lip protector. It is amazing. But the best thing is this gadget. It's the Genius Ultra device, I think it's called, and it is amazing. It basically gets rid of fine lines and puffiness, and I use it every day. And I put my moisturiser on, my eye cream, and then I just kind of buff it in with this, and it gets really warm, and it's just amazing to use, and it has really great results. Next up, I'm using this deodorant. I'm really into like really good deodorants now to make sure I'm not putting any harmful chemicals on my skin, so that's really important to me. Next is makeup. Does anyone else do this? I just put it all out in the sink in front of me, and so I can see everything that's going on and what I'm going to be using. So I use my Arbonne primer, which is so good. It keeps my makeup fresh all day and all night. I'm using my absolute favourite foundation, which is the Max Factor Facefinity. I've been using this for years and years. And then I'm going to be using my Arbonne concealer, which is the best one I've used for so many years. I'm sold on this as well. And next I'm going to take my hair out of the towel and just let it air dry a little while, just brush it through with my wet brush. I really need to get a bigger one of these. This is my handbag one. I've got like no brushes, but I'm on a no or a low buy year, so I'm not going to buy one unless I desperately need one. So I'm going to brush out my hair, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows, because I feel like, tell me if I'm alone, I can't do anything until my eyebrows are on. This is amazing. It's the Brow Tattoo from Avon, and I've been absolutely loving it for quite a few months now. I've spoken about it in one of my favourites videos. Next up, I'm just going to set my face with some finishing powder with my Lottie London brush, which my friend's little girl Lottie gave to me. And then I'm going to do some contouring with the Sleek palette. I don't really contour a great deal, but I just put a little bit of a shadow in my cheekbones, and then kind of just hope for the best. I don't do it too professionally, and a little bit on my brow bone as well. Next up, I'm going to use my highlighter palette. I have spoken about this before. It's not my favourite palette at all. I really was disappointed with it. It's an Hourglass one, but as I'm on a low buy year, I won't be buying a new one until anything has run out and I can't use it any longer. I'm also using this Arbonne blusher, which is really pigmented, like literally hardly need to dab it at all. And then wait until you see this, guys. This is my eyebrow brush. I refuse to buy a new one because it still does what it's meant to do. It's just not ideal. Next, I'm going to use this Let It Set setting spray from Arbonne. Again, I feel like I'm obsessed with their products. They are so good. I'll leave links down in the description bar. That setting spray is the best one I've ever used. Now I'm going to just very roughly dry my hair, and just so that it doesn't set too kinky when it's drying naturally, but I'm just literally going to rough dry it. Then I'm back into the bathroom to do my all-time favourite bronzer, which is the Too Faced one, which is absolutely my favourite ever. And I'm just going to blend out the edges of my faces just so that there's no lines. And then I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Box and the Avon Mark palette as well, which I absolutely love. This is the point I realise I've forgotten all my brushes, but I can manage. I'm going to be using this rose shade on the Avon palette, which is so pretty, and then I'm going to be using one of the darker shades for the crease in my eye. I think it's called Cherry Cordial, and there's also Amaretto, and it's the chocolate bar palette, which yes, does smell of chocolate. And then I'm just going to be shading in the eyes like this with the very minimal tools that I have with me. And now for this incredible, I think it's called It's a Long Story mascara. I mean, it is incredible, and it's like the same price as a MAC one. So now it's time to straighten my hair. I usually tie it up halfway and focus on the bottom half first. I'm probably not going to show you too much of this because actually I have a hair tutorial style how I do my hair video, which I can link here for you, but this gives you a little idea. I've just had it chopped off really short, so I'm loving this blunt style, and it just gives it a great texture doing the curls. I'm going to be popping on my new necklace, which my girlfriend's got me for my birthday present, and then it's on to the lips. I'm using an Avon lip tattoo, which is really, really good, and also this Avon lipstick on top of it, which I absolutely love. I'll leave everything linked down below for you. And next I'm going to put some dry texture spray in. I can never say this brand. Orbe, that could be it. And then I'm just going to shake it out. I don't use too much of this because it can get a little bit sticky otherwise. Finally, for my body, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier body cream. I'm having a fizz stick because I'm so tired and I want to perk myself up. And now I'm going to be painting my own nails with this gel polish. I can leave that linked as well. This is just such an easy way of doing your nails, and they last at least a week and they look really, really cool. So I'm now going to get dressed. I'm wearing my River Island jumpsuit, which you may have seen a couple of times. I'm obsessed with it. It was in the sale at £25 and I just feel amazing in it, and it's such a lovely colour and really, really flattering as well. So there we go guys, I really hope you liked that video. If you're new around here and you wanted to subscribe to my channel, I'd really, really love it. And also don't forget to give the video a like if you did like it. I'm going to take you along to show you what we're going to do next for our little date night. I hope you liked the video guys. See you next time. Are you ready for date night now?
Very ready for date night.
Stu's had to watch me get ready for ages now.
I didn't really watch you. I had the longest bath. I had an hour, probably longer than an hour. I've never had a bath.
You just kept like topping up the hot water.
I was such a good bath. Such a good bath.
And now we're going to go for some food.
And then I laid on the bed for an hour, and then I put my clothes on. Ready!
That's how guys get ready.